Getting touch on illegal dumping. A bill just passed by the city council aims to give officials new tools to catch lawbreakers. But some are concerned that innocent people may have to pay the price. Kimberly Speakman has the story.
It's something no one wants to see in their neighborhood. Piles of trash dumped on the side of the road. Now city council members want to make it easier to catch the people responsible.
Right now, even if someone were to send in a video or photograph, I do not have the authority to enforce, and neither does HPD.
If passed into law, people would be able to send pictures or video to the city's Department of Environmental Services, and they would be able to go after that person. If a car is in the picture, I'm told it's much easier to enforce.
Now, as long as I have the license plate, or let's say it's a business and I have the name of the company on the side, E&V can enforce on that. I don't need to prove that you are driving it. You're the owner, you're responsible for your vehicle, and we will enforce on you.
I spoke to a defense attorney who says that's where things may get tricky.
Just the concern of innocent people getting hit with fines for things they didn't do. I mean, I do think that this bill increases that potential just because you have untrained observers making reports.
There's also a question of potential mistaken identity of a culprit. Gan says courts have measures to help protect innocent people, but that may not be the case for a citation.
For something as small as a citation, where someone just has a fine, I think that it will make it very hard for people to go in and fight this mistaken identification on their own behalf.
A person can request a hearing to fight the citation within 14 days after getting it. Kahikina says they expect that the mayor will pass this bill, and as for when this program would start, they say it would be sometime this year after they set up guidelines. Reporting from Tantalus, Kimberly Speakman, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.